Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen on your watch, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu, like this. Now, let's scroll through the menu, find the alarm clock icon, it looks like this, and then tap on it to enter or open the alarm application. And here we can add and remove the alarm clocks and edit them. But as you can see, we don't have any alarm clocks at the moment, and we have this big add on watch button. To add a new alarm clock, tap on this button. Now we can set the time on which the alarm should be activating, and you can do it by swiping up and down on the hours, then minutes, and then tap next once you're done. And here we can customize it even further. We can tap on repeat weekly, and here we can select on which days the alarm should be active or activating. We can select specific days by tapping on them, like that. And once you're done, you can tap on done. And now the alarm will be active every Monday and Friday. Okay. Next, we can scroll down and add the alarm name. We can tap on it and change it to something, I don't know, like this. And then tap check mark. And now the alarm has a name. Next, we can tap on alarm sound, and here select the sound basically for our alarm. So we can tap on it, and we can enable or disable the sound by tapping on the switch. And then once you enable it, you can scroll down and you have a list of sounds you can use as the alarm, and we can go through them. And that's all of them. For example, I'm gonna select this one and then swipe right to go back. Okay, once you select the sound, you can tap on the vibration, and here we can select the vibration type and also enable or disable the vibration itself. If you enable it, you can select different type of vibration. For example, simple. We have also zig, like this. Basically, this changes the way the watch vibrates when the alarm goes off. I'm gonna select something like, I don't know, maybe knock, like this, and then go back. And the last option we have is snooze. Basically, we can set up the snooze here. We can enable it or disable it. The snooze is basically if the alarm goes off and you press the buttons or any of the button, you can snooze the alarm, and it's gonna then repeat it again after a certain period of time, and you can customize it. And if you enable it, you can select interval, and you have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. So select the interval you like, for example 10 minutes, then scroll down and you can select how many times you can repeat it, and you have 3 times, 5 times, or forever. Select the one you like, for example 5 times, and then go back. And once you're done customizing your alarm clock, you can tap on save, and it should appear right here in the alarms app on the list. And you can enable it or disable it by tapping on the switch. You can also edit it by tapping on it, like this. And you can also add new alarms if you want to by tapping on add on watch, customize them, and then you will have more than one. And if you want to remove the alarms, you can simply press and hold on one and to select it, and then you can select more than one if you want to. And once you select the alarms you want to remove, you can tap on delete to remove them, like this. And once you're done setting up your alarm clocks and you want to close and this app, simply press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.